Good afternoon, everyone. We're back in the garage working on the case, doing some casework. And I have to say, I have to comment on the, I don't know, condition or quality of the inside of these aluminum cases. I'm finding issues. So, first thing I did was start looking at all the sharp edges, like this right here. I don't know if you can see that. Get a light on it. See how the jagged edge over that thread? Well, I went up to it earlier and just put my fingernail on it. And you can see little chunks coming off. I mean, that don't take much. Look, I moved a piece. See that little shiny spot? Well, that's not good. Because it don't take much at all to take these little pieces and move them around. A little bit of gasket cinch in there too. But I started finding that all over the inside of this case. Like in here, I would just take a screwdriver and run it on it like this. And it was breaking off little pieces of the cast. So this is becoming a gigantic project. I started cleaning off all the sharp edges on the inside of this case, being very mindful of the contact surfaces and mounting surfaces, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, this is a big deal, and I'm sweating bullets because if you nick any of this stuff, you're gonna have an oil leak or lose oil pressure. I did have a little edge on the end of this lifter mount here, whatever you want to call it, and I had to bust that off there too because there's a piece of slag that I could literally catch my finger on, and it was like 1/8 of an inch long. I mean, that's not good. So I know VW Darren, he does this. He kind of chamfers the outside of them, and it looked like somebody did that from the factory, but looked like they only did it like half or 3/4 of the way around and stop. So the other part wasn't done. So I gently went around and put that little edge on there myself. And now I'm just continuing to clean up all the garbage inside this case. This is, like I said, becoming a huge project. I got one half of the case done. She's over there. She's ready to rock. And this half. Now, that other half took me 2 days. Well, 2 nights after work anyway. And I guess I'm going to keep crack-a-lacking on this and get her done. So, all right, everybody. Have a great night and have fun with your project. Get out in the garage and do something.